If you're in your 40s or 50s and you've been feeling weirdly invisible, like the room got louder but somehow you got quieter, this is for you. Here's the shocker. Roughly 1 in 3 adults in midlife reports feeling lonely on a regular basis. And chronic loneliness has been linked to health risks on par with smoking a pack less than a day. That's not to scare you. It's to say you're not imagining this. It's real, and it's common. So why midlife? Think of it as a perfect storm. Your friendships? They weren't broken. They were borrowed from contexts. School first jobs, roommates, new parent groups. Midlife strips those contexts away. Kids get older. Work becomes heads down. Parents need care. The calendar fills with responsibilities but empties of connection. There's the squeeze, carrying up and down the family tree while trying to keep a career alive. There's divorce, relocation, layoffs, disruptions that quietly erase entire social circles. For many men, the old activity buddies stop calling when the activity stops. For many women, invisible labor and emotional caregiving crowd out their own support. And then there's identity. Midlife is a re-edit. The story you told about yourself at 25 doesn't always fit at 45. That dissonance can feel isolating, even if your life looks successful from the outside. Important distinction. Loneliness isn't the same as being alone. You can be surrounded by people and still feel unseen. What we're missing is resonance. Feeling understood, expected, wanted. Here's what the research, and real life, suggests actually helps. Name it out loud. I've been feeling lonely. The moment you say it, shame starts to shrink. Stop hunting for a best friend. Build a bench. 5 okay connections beat 1 perfect one you never see. Schedule recurring rituals. Tuesday walks, Friday coffee, monthly game night. If it's not on the calendar, it's an intention, not a plan. Reawaken weak ties. Text the former coworker. Saw this and thought of you. 30 seconds can reopen a door. Join third places with repetition. A class, a faith group, a running club, a volunteer shift. Familiar faces become familiar feelings. Share small, often. A 2-minute voice note beats a once-a-year life update. If it's heavy, get help. Therapy isn't failure. It's a spotter for the weight you've been lifting alone. Also, be gentle with the algorithm of your life. If everything is optimized for productivity, connection will always lose. Try optimizing for proximity and repetition instead. If this hits close to home, you're not broken. You're human, in a noisy chapter that makes quiet feel louder. Drop a comment with one small thing you're going to try this week, and if you've found something that works, share it. Someone scrolling in silence needs your playbook. Midlife isn't the end of your social story. It's a rewrite. Let's give it a better plot.